Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Canva for video thumbnails and brand kits, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Canva dashboard. To create a video thumbnail, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and select it from the drop-down menu. This will open a new design workspace specifically sized for YouTube thumbnails. On the left sidebar, you will see various template options. You can either choose a pre-made template or start from scratch by clicking on blank. If you select a template, browse through the styles to find one, click on the template to add it to your design workspace. Use the toolbar at the top to customize the text, colors, and images. To change text, simply click on it and type your own content. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the options in the toolbar. To add images, click on the Uploads option in the left sidebar. Upload your own images or use Canva's built-in library of photos and graphics. Drag and drop the images into your design area to position them where you want. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select the file type, preferably PNG or JPG, and save it to your computer. Now, let's set up your brand kit. On the Canva dashboard, click on Brand in the left sidebar. If you don't see the Brand section, click on the More option to find it. In the Brand section, click on the Create a Brand Kit button. You will be prompted to enter your brand's name. After entering your brand name, start by adding your brand colors. Click on the Color Palette section and enter your brand color codes. You can also choose colors from the color wheel. Next, upload your logo by clicking on the Logo section. Select the file from your computer and upload it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.